Welcome to the training program focusing on mastering Selenium. This professional course is designed to provide you with an in-depth understanding of Selenium, a powerful tool for automated web application testing. Through this comprehensive training by H2 Kinfosis, participants will learn essential concepts and techniques necessary to enhance their testing skills and effectively automate web application testing. Understanding Selenium's architecture and its various components is critical for efficient test automation. The course will cover the different components of Selenium, namely Selenium WebDriver, Selenium IDE, and Selenium Grid, and their specific roles in the automation process. The course offers a detailed, step-by-step installation process to guide you through setting up your environment correctly. This section will teach you the basic syntax and structure necessary to write Selenium scripts, enabling you to automate simple tasks in your web applications effectively. One of the essential aspects of Selenium testing is the ability to locate web elements accurately. Various methods, such as using ID, XPath, and CSS selectors, are employed to identify elements within the application. Selenium provides specific methods to manage these elements, ensuring that your test scripts can simulate real user interactions robustly and seamlessly. Proper synchronization ensures that your test scripts are reliable and can handle real-world scenarios efficiently. The course will demonstrate how to implement data-driven testing in Selenium using Excel and CSV files. This method helps in efficiently managing and executing large volumes of test data, further enhancing the robustness of your test scripts. The training will provide insights into using TestNG, highlighting its significance in improving the overall management and execution of Selenium tests. These practices are vital for creating a sustainable and efficient test automation framework, which in the long run simplifies test management and enhances test effectiveness. Thank you for participating in this Mastering Selenium training program. With this solid foundation in Selenium, you are now equipped with the skills to implement automated testing efficiently within your projects.